Hello! It's time to look at some more things to do in Canvas. It's time to go beyond the bare minimums. In this video, we're going to look at the Rich Content Editor as it forms the backbone for basically every item that you can provide in the Canvas environment. And to do that, we're going to get a little bit meta. That's because I'm going to actually start building the pages of the course you're viewing. It's going to be fun. You'll see how they came to be. So, what I want to do is I want to create a content page that you, the student, can interact with to go to get information. And specifically in this page, I'm going to introduce Canvas to you and talk a little bit about getting around Canvas and put a link to the YouTube video in that page so that you can read a little bit about what's in the video, watch the video, and maybe a little bit of something after the video. So let's get started. To create a page, a content page, you're going to want to go to Pages, right there. And I don't have any pages yet, so I'm going to need to add a page. I'm going to come up here and do plus page. I'm going to give this page a name. I'll say, Welcome to Canvas, Getting Around. Now, this was the title bar. This little box here and all of these icons around it, this is called the Rich Content Editor. And it's because you can create content here, including pictures, video, tables. There's a latex editor. It's really quite a powerful piece of browser software. So this is the Rich Content Editor. We're familiar with most of these buttons if you've done any kind of editing. Even your email has these kinds of buttons: bold, italic, underline. This is text color, highlight color, clear the formatting, left justify, center, right justify, decrease indent, increase indent, superscript, subscript, bullets, and numbered lists. These we don't really need a whole lot of help understanding. We get that. Then we get some of the special tools that are peculiar to the Rich Content Editor. This is an Insert Table button. You can click and insert a table of the size of your choosing. Kind of a handy thing. This is an Insert Edit Media button, so you can add a video in that way. This is a link to URL. You might remember this button from our syllabus where we opened the auto inline preview. This is the remove link. In case you have a link in your page that you don't want to be active anymore, you can go to that link and remove it. This is embed image, how to put a nice pretty picture in your page. This is the math equation. It's a latex editor. This is YouTube button. We're going to be using this in this video. Similar to YouTube, a Vimeo button. This is kind of a wild card button. This is more external tools. There may be several tools that we have installed that won't fit in the button panel, but you can access those tools with this more external tools button. Record/upload media, a little bit different than this media button, but it's cool. Wait till you see it. And then this is a weird option, left to right paragraph versus a right to left paragraph, maybe for some foreign languages. Of course, font size. And then this one is really very important. This, where it says paragraph, is actually a document styles selector. We can select from paragraph, header 2, 3, 4, and pre-formatted content. This is important for screen readers. Headers are designed to lay bare the organization of your document, and screen readers treat them a little bit differently so that people who maybe have visual acuity issues and use screen readers can understand the form of your document as well as what the content that's inside that form. So I'm going to start by typing something. I'm going to say, welcome to Canvas. And I'm going to go ahead and make that a header level 2. That adds some formatting, but it also adds the functionality of the header. I am so excited about this new teaching platform And I think after you get to know it, you will be too. We'll put the comma in. All right. In the video that follows, we will be going over, and now I'm going to add some bullets. Logging into Canvas, getting around in Canvas, the global navigation menu, the dashboard, sys generated courses. Let me see if there's something else we should be looking at. Yeah, I think that does it. And brief overview of other global navigation tabs. All right, so I've promised a video. I better put in a video. The way you add a YouTube video is this. You click on the YouTube button. I'm going to do that. And that will bring up actually a search window for YouTube. What I'm going to do, though, is I can't search for these videos because I've made them unlisted. You have to have a link to get in. So I'm just going to copy this and put that in that box to see if it will find it straight away. Enter. And that's what I want. Okay. Now, I've got this embed button, but I can also choose whether I want to embed it small, medium, or large. I'm going to go with medium. And that puts that video in a frame right there in the rich content editor. This is fantastic because when your students come across YouTube videos that you've shared this way, they will not be distracted by everything that surrounds a YouTube video. YouTube is carefully designed to be a rabbit hole. You're supposed to watch something, see something in the sidebar, go, oh, that's what I want to watch. There's an autoplay button for the next video. So this kind of removes those distractions. Now, it doesn't remove the ads, but it does remove some of the surrounding distractions. And this video, I can go ahead, even while I'm editing, make sure that it's going to load and post the way I want it to.
Hello, and welcome
look
to
at
Canvas
him. Isn't he
Basic
good
Training.
looking? All right. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions, you can email me at nmc@reinhardt.edu. Okay, put that in there. It auto-created that mail to link. That's pretty cool. To go on to the next page in this module, we'll talk about that later. Click the next button to the lower right. All right, and now I'm going to save that page. And we have created a page. It's got a welcome message. It's appropriately formatted. It tells you what you're going to see when you watch this video. Then you have the video, and there's instructions for how to get to the next video too. Okay, there's a lot more you can do with the rich content editor. We could spend literally 4 hours going over every bit of functionality that is in the rich content editor, but I wanted to show you that one for sure, the YouTube video. It's a great way to get students to engage with material. You find a really interesting YouTube video touching on concepts in your course, they eat it up. So that is using the rich content editor to build a page. We're going to build a few more pages to show you some of the other functions a little bit later. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Come back for more.